Hi, my name is Pella, and on the third episode of the campfire cooking, I'm going to show you how to make some campfire potatoes. First, cut 3 russet potatoes into 1 inch. Now, spread some outside the butter onto the bottom of our aluminum foil. Now add the potato pieces onto the aluminum foil greased and space them apart. Then sprinkle some roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Add some buttery poultry blend seasoning. Then add some packs of unsalted butter on top. And fold it tightly. Repeat the steps. Now add the potatoes onto the grill. And let them cook for about 15 minutes. Remove the potatoes out of the grill and place them onto a baking pan. Let them cook for about 5 minutes. While the potatoes are resting, cook some pork bacon. Now, serve the campfire potatoes onto a plate. And add some sour cream. And sprinkle some chopped green onion and some chopped bacon onto the potatoes for garnish. And serve them with some asparagus, some cooked chicken tenderloins, and some campfire. Now here's the final presentation of the campfire potatoes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.